It is with deep gratitude that I stand before you today on behalf of our hospital, Victoria Chitepo Provincial Hospital, to receive the generous and very significant donation of 74 blankets to the hospital. To the principal of Mutare Polytechnic, Ms. Watema, the staff, the students who contributed to this gesture, I would like to say from the bottom of my heart and from the gratitude of all of the staff and the patients, a well-felt thank you. Your decision to reach out to us, it speaks volume about your institution's values. You are not just training professionals at the Polytechnic, you are shaping citizens who understand the meaning of Ubuntu, as you say. Thank you for that. As a provincial hospital, we serve a large population across Manicaland. Our province, as you would know, is more than 2.2 million, and most of the very severe and difficult cases in all the hospitals, they will end up at the Victoria Chitepo Provincial Hospital. And many of our patients come from far, often with very little. In our wards, especially as we approach winter, in the colder months, a blanket is more than just fabric. It is warmth, it is comfort. It tells the patient you are seen, you are cared for, not just by the nursing staff, by even the community, by even the Polytechnic. You are seen and you are cared for. These 74 blankets will go directly to our inpatient wards, especially the female wards and the maternity ward. And for a mother recovering after delivery, or an elderly patient with a chest infection, for a young woman battling depression, this donation will make the hospital stay more bearable. And we thank you for that. This partnership also reminds us that healthcare is not just the responsibility of the nurse, of the doctor, of the staff in the hospital. It is the responsibility of the community at large. When colleges, schools, churches, business partners, if they come together, our burden here at the hospital becomes much, much lighter. We are stronger together. To the students of Mutare Polytechnic, I hope you see that today your skills extend beyond the classroom, beyond your usual areas of study. When you are studying engineering, business, or hospitality, you have the power to heal communities, and this has been seen and exemplified today with this ostentatious gesture. On behalf of our patients, on behalf of our nurses, on behalf of the doctors, on behalf of all our staff, we will ensure that these blankets are used responsibly and with the respect that they deserve. We look forward to building stronger, more lasting relationship between Victoria Chitepo Provincial Hospital and Mutare Polytechnic. And let this not be the last time we stand together for the good of Manicaland. Let this be the beginning of a very long-lasting relationship. Thank you once again, and may God bless you all.
Each one of us contributed what we could know amount was too much. No effort was too little. Student by student, dollar by dollar, we came together and raised $1,284 US. With that money, we purchased 76 blankets, 76 new blankets, and today we are proud to hand them over to the women in the hospital who need them most. We did not do this for recognition. We did not do this for marks or extra credit. We did this because we genuinely care. We did it because somewhere in one of those words lies a mother, a sister, an auntie, a grandmother, and as winter approaches, she deserves to be warm. The experience has taught us more than any examination have ever could. It has taught us that we are more powerful when we are united. We would like to sincerely thank our lecturers in National Studies Department for believing in us, for teaching us not just the theory but the spirit of civic responsibility, and for working with us every step of the way in organizing this initiative. You saw potential in us before we saw it in ourselves. We thank our principal, Mrs. Watengwa P. We thank you, Mama. And the entire management of Mutare Polytechnic for supporting this cause and for being here with us today.